Gonna start with the nation. Rivers crisis. Police retain control of council secretariats. Why Tinubu flew to South Africa on chartered aircraft. Alleged terrorism. Nnamdi Kanu seeks out-of-court settlement. Edo PDP expels Obi, Shebu, Ugbede, Ihama. Anxiety in Kano over federal court's ruling on Emir's tussle. And all is set for Olakunlehin's coronation. Olakunlehin's coronation as 43rd Olubadan. Okay, story?
So major headline. These fights that they're fighting in Rivers State, I'm just following it little by little. So the IG has stepped in and he has asked that he has deployed operatives of the first intelligence response team to assist Rivers State to fish out the killers of the police officer and the vigilante member, and there's a new update. Another person, an ex-student leader who has died, so the death toll has increased to 3. And as the police steps in, of course, the caretaker committee of the governor, as well as the expired council chairman whose tenures have expired, who refuse to leave, both of them can access their offices. The police have taken over to see to sanity in the state. Also, the matter has forced members of APC to ask the president to declare a state of emergency in Rivers State, saying it's become ungovernable. And the PDP are also warning the APC not to suggest such a thing. So they are waiting to see what the president is going to say. But the individuals that died, their names are Police Inspector David Ngbad's vigilante member Samuel Nwigwe, and Endel Ejindu, a former student union leader. I hope that peace will reign in the states. But these 23 local government chairmen should just have expired with their tenure expiration. Let status quo continue. But the matter is also in court, along with the situation of the House of Assembly members that come to the APC and so lost their offices. They are waiting for the court to order to state the way forward for both of them. So the court is asking everybody to maintain status quo. Their people are still fighting, so the police have come to maintain peace and order. Okay, so Justice Binta Nyako and Adegboyega, Awomolo, you have that story?
No.
Urged Kanu's counsel. This is concerning the alleged terrorism case against Nnamdi Kanu. He's seeking out-of-court settlement. So Justice Binta urged Kanu's counsel to reach out to the Attorney General of the Federation to discuss any issue of settlement out of court, that she's totally distancing herself from any of that. According to the defense counsel, Alloy Ejimakor, said that his client wanted the court to invoke Section 17 of the Federal High Court rules, which he said provides for reconciliation and facilitation of amicable settlement in criminal or civil cases. The section also states that in any proceedings, the court may consider reconciliation and settlement. So they're hoping that that could be considered, but the trial judge said that matter doesn't concern me. Go to the Attorney General of the Federation. He's the one you should go and negotiate out-of-court settlement with. We'll see how that goes.
So our president had to go to South Africa for the new president's inauguration, and he flew. Yes, he had to fly a chartered plane. Said that out of all the 10 presidential aircraft that we have, out of the presidential aircraft fleet that we have, the 10, none of them were in condition to fly, and that they were all undergoing regular checks, sea checks, and they did not have the approval to fly. Even the one that brought the president from Abuja to Lagos for inauguration, for the Idil Kabir, is not good enough to fly. And if we recollect, just the last time the vice president was trying to go to the US with one of the airplanes in the presidential fleet, he couldn't make it. After going in, traveling for a few minutes, they had to come down and make a detour to repair the plane. So this 10 fleets we have includes planes and helicopter, and they said the president has already said he wanted to we should only keep 7 because the cost of maintenance is very high, and of the 7 they want to keep, they made a list. Our former president Buhari tried to sell 2 out of the plane. They could not sell it. They made offer of $24 million. Somebody now, the same people that agreed to pay $24 million came back and said they want to pay $11 million. So the president's team said no, they were not going to sell for $11 million. Right now, it's important that we try and sell the ones that are not effective so that we are able to concentrate funds to fix the one that is effective.
What they want to buy from us. Another story?
So, yeah, there is anxiety in Kanu over the federal court's ruling on the Emir tussle. The suspense everywhere in Kanu. Justice Mahmoud Lukman had declared that he has the jurisdiction to hear the case of the fundamental human rights of Bayero, the Emir Bayero. Governor Abba Yusuf has said that it's unlawful that the Emirates is a state government problem, not the court. The court doesn't have the jurisdiction to hear the case. So today, the ruling is going to come out. There is security in the Emir Sanusi's place. There is security in the Nasarawa Palace, so that the supporters don't, whatever the judgment comes out, there's no wahala.
Breakdown of okay, let's go on a very short break. When we come back, we continue with our review. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
Stay tuned. Your view will be right back.